and welcome to Quick Fit series. Today is standing abs. All you're gonna need for that is a resistance band, and that too if you have one. Otherwise, I'm gonna show you body weight modification, which is just going to be as effective. There will be a total of 5 exercises with 5 minutes on the timer as usual. 45 seconds of work and 15 seconds of rest. So if you're ready, let's get going.
Never thought I'd feel like this. Yeah. I never thought I'd feel like this. Ooh, never thought I could. I never thought I'd be on my shit. Be on mine. I'm spending my time in love like I should.
Now switch.
I never thought I'd feel like this. Feel like this. Feel like I never thought I'd feel like this. Feel like this. I never thought I'd feel like this.
Now switch.
I never thought I'd feel like feel like this. Feel like I never thought I'd feel like this. Feel like this. I'm spending my time in love like I should. Almost struggling for more good. Yeah, I never thought I'd feel like.
Now switch.
I never thought I'd feel like this. Yeah. I never thought I'd feel like this. Ooh, never thought I could. I never thought I'd be on my shit. Be on mine. I'm spending my time in love like I should. No more struggling for more good. Yeah. I never thought I'd feel like this. Feel like this. Feel like I never thought I'd feel like this. Feel like this. Feel like I never thought I'd feel like this.
Now switch. Great job! You have just activated your core and engaged your entire upper body, strengthening your abs and improving your posture. Stand tall and feel the burn. Tomorrow is triceps day, and if you have a light pair of dumbbells between 1 to 3 kgs, great. Otherwise, we can easily substitute them with water bottles. That's it, guys. Take care. Signing off now.